Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can reset a school Chromebook. So this is basically completely on your keyboard. So take a look at it, and what you have to press is escape, refresh and power button. These three buttons together. I repeat, escape, refresh and power button. Tap them together. Now a page should pop up, but don't worry about it. All you need to do is just press on Ctrl and D together. I repeat, CTRL, which is Ctrl and D, press them together. After that, what you have to do is just press on Enter, and then finally press on the space bar for enabling verification, and then again press Enter and you'll be automatically verified. And there you go, your school Chromebook will be reset. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.